Shortcake! Focus Grandpa Show! We're calling Scotch's Star Universe Show! Today, we're TV opening on Strawberry Shortcake Cooking Up Fun 2006 DVD! Yes! We got this from Josh and Jimmy guys, so shout out to him! This camera's too close. Damn. But, anyway, let's pop this DVD. Let's pop this corporate cock. Let's pop this corporate duck. Frickin'. You're Ouija? I said, you're Ouija. Yes, Mario. Let's just watch the previews. Oh, the previews are already on here. What the fuck? Usually those you see the DVD menu. You see the DVD menu before the previews start. Holy shit! Here's some nostalgia crap. Here's Strawberry Shortcake! Everyone's favorite strawberry obsession girl. Garfield! Garfield! Yes! Garfield! Everyone's favorite orange fat cat.
What are you, from another planet or something?
The fuck is this? Garfield! Garfield! Sorry, Garfield! And this crap. Garfield! And what else? Okay, oh great! This is great! This is way G. Oh my god! Oh my god. The Strawberry Shortcake, Sweet Dreams movie. Wow! Oh wow! We forgot this movie existed!
Available on DVD February 2007.
What else? And that's it. And that's about this video! Make sure to subscribe to the channel! Get the bell icon! And do me a favor! Click the like button! Smash the like button! Abuse the like button! So if that's talking, this is me, Luigi, and Mario for Lucas Grandpa Show on Cars Country and Star Universe Show signing off. Stay spooky!